is a drainage panel system made with an external box made with double twist wire mesh. Inside is filled with lightweight material, and also it's covered inside with woven geotextile. It's made for high drainage systems, so it has high transmissivity rates, and these make it unique.
We are testing different type of fillings to evaluate the different type of performances. During the test, the GabioDrain are subjected to incremental normal compressive load and also to different hydraulic gradients, and to evaluate a wide range of situations and parameters for a wide range of situations. This parameter can also be defined as the hydraulic transmissivity, or more appropriately for a drainage trench as the drainage capacity.
GabioDrain system can be used in different types of applications, such as retaining walls, agricultural areas, buildings, landslide remediation, and for subsurface applications. One of the feeder applications for GabioDrain could be for vertical drainage system in building applications, whenever you don't have enough space to excavate a normal type of drainage system, so you need to go vertical, and GabioDrain can be the perfect application for you.
So in this case, GabioDrain was a game changer because we had reduced space, and it allowed to perform drainage systems with high depth and with reduced sections. On the other hand, the use of traditional systems would have needed a lot more spaces and a higher volume of excavation. The installation of GabioDrain is very easy and rapid to perform. The lower level of this drainage GabioDrain system is made with GabioDrain T, that allows to increase the drainage volume due to the presence of a drainage pipe inside of it.
GabioDrain system is unique for different types of reasons, such as it reaches the job site ready to be installed. The lightweight material makes it very easy to handle on the job site, and it has a high transmissivity rate under heavy loads. From an environmental point of view, GabioDrain is unique, and it can decrease the CO2 emissions in the environment, because you will have way less, up to 10 times less, truck movements on the job site.